The one's up. How much for this one?
It's probably 1,000.
Yeah, 1,700. What was it you're showing me? The pan? Oh yeah, show me the smaller pan. How much for this pan? It is
550.
like, so I'm only getting these two what, sentimental circus stuff, both for 1,000 yen with tax, I think. Yeah, do you need a Dragon Ball? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm getting out. I need to... Rainy day in Harajuku.
Take off shoes, change into the slipper, push over the machine. Okay? The price is 200 yen per person for every 10 minutes. And you have to stay 30 minutes at the minimum. 600 yen per person, sir. Check those it. Don't chase the cat. Don't pick up and hold them. Please do not give you food and drink. Picture okay, but no flash. Don't speak loud. Okay, hello. You will be able to order cat food for 500 yen. And free refill drink for 350 yen per person. You are start time. Start time. Locker number. Okay.
Hey,
Hey, get here.
try to do this one. Okay, it's one piece. Where's the other one? Oh, I hate it. But where's the other one? Okay, so you have to press it twice. Hi, konnichiwa.
You don't want to play.
ダメです。うちちちち、急ぎよ、急ぎ、急ぎ、急ぎ、急ぎ、oh my god, you're so cute. Get where you're playing with other kitties. What? Your cat is really grumpy. Mine is playful. The road to happiness. 1 cat, 2 cat, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. Video.
Pictures there, the videos were there.
I didn't know there were many. That there were just like few, and then they got all over here when it was feeding time. Wanna go get one of these? Mocha Cat Cafe. Oh, and we just finished, and we're about to try this gacha. Go go go! I think will be okay actually, but I kind of like this one.
It's not that one.
Let me see. Oh, it's a white one. Oh, it's okay. It looks okay. I don't know what to get. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. So these are from the gacha machine. I actually got 3 after I got this one. They sell it for 700 in Akihabara. Too much anime. Hey. Do it. Taiyaki. Magic cup.
It's from the store in Akihabara.
I don't